G'day Internet, this is Cat Tiger from Blind Cat Blues, and in this episode of Voiceover Point of View, I thought I would do a sound/battery test of the Bose SoundLink Mini, the same one that I reviewed a couple of days ago, and I will link that review in the description. I did forget to mention the battery life in my review, so that was the inspiration behind this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take note of the time, and I am going to start playing music through this at 75%, so halfway between 50% and 100%, which is probably the range most people would use it. And we are going to see how the battery life holds up. Alright, so I'm going to go check the time, and I will be back to get this show on the road. See you soon. Okay, and I am back, and perfect. It is 9:30 AM. That is a nice number to start on. So, let's do this. I'm going to turn my speaker on. It's all been charging.
Battery 100%.
Battery 100%.
iPad 2A.
Awesome, it found my iPad. And my iPad's
pretty
pretty charged.
songs. Button.
And I set the volume beforehand, so sorry, VoiceOver is booming like it thinks it's God or something.
Born to Die, radio mix, brief, Alexi Murdoch.
And I'm just going to
table index, adjustable. Open your
wait
eyes.
till
Blind away,
VoiceOver
famous,
shuts up.
10 gun supersonic, 3 minutes, 7 seconds.
I'm
Button.
going to try and find my shuffle
Actions
button.
available.
And I'm going to shuffle all my songs. So I've got a range here from everything from metal through to pop, through to, hip-hop. I've got quite a range taste in music. So
824 songs.
that's a
Button.
fair check. Oh, there you go. 824 songs. Not bad, hey?
824 songs.
And I'm going to go to the lock screen on my iPad. I'm going to double check the
8.3 seconds.
volume
This is how it
level.
goes down. Hit previous track. Button. Pause. Button. Next track. Volume. 74%.
74%. Well, that's close enough. And I'm going to kill the sound, kill the voice. Oh, turn itself off on. That was rude.
Track position. Speech off.
Alright, and I'm gonna chill out and listen to some tunes, and I will be back in an hour to take note of how the battery life is going. See yous then. Okay, and welcome back. This is 10:30. Don't know if that's readable. Should be. And, oh, perfect timing. Now I can actually talk and hear myself. So it's 10:30, and I'm just going to pause my song, between songs, and we're going to quickly test what the level of the battery is by turning it on and off again.
Battery 70%.
70%, so in an hour it's gone down 30%. So that's kind of interesting. But we'll see. Let's keep going.
Connected to iPad 2A.
Okay, I don't know what that was about. There we go. And see you in another hour. Hey YouTube, we are back. I believe this is 3 days grace. Let You Down by 3 days grace. Now I'm going to pause this. And we'll check the... Actually, I'm going to check it on the iPad. What is it? Yeah, I don't know. But there's the time for you. It was 11:30. I took a bit of time getting ready, but anyway. Now let's check the battery life, eh? I've actually had to use earphones to use my screen readers. Pretty funny. So let's pause. Turn it off. Back on again.
Battery 50%.
And it's down to 50% after 2 hours. So by the way we are going, it looks like it will be 4 hours, but we will see. Let's do this.
Viewfinder.
And we're reconnected again, and let's do this. It has a hiccup every time I turn it off. See you guys in another hour. Okay, and we're back, and that was Hallelujah by Ruth Wainwright or something like that. The one from Shrek. I think originally done by Jeff Beck, whatever. And before this gets on its swing, we will pause this and check how we're going. It's a bit later than 12:30. It's about 12:35 last I checked, give or take.
Try again. Track position. Bluetooth connected. Status bar 12:37 p.m.
12:37. Okay, yep. And I'm gonna disconnect from here.
Battery 30%.
Oh, we're at 30%.
0.2 seconds. 4 minutes, 34 seconds. Adjustable.
Okay. So it probably will not go for much longer. It starts to have weird things start happening at and below 30%. It loses its pairing and things like that. But we shall see. We probably might get 10, 15, 20 minutes perhaps, maybe another half an hour, I don't know. But yeah, let's see where it goes. And I will be back when I am back. What's this one? Phil Collins. I feel a little bit like a radio DJ. You're listening to Cat Tiger FM. See you after the break. Okay, so now we have Crazy by Simple Plan. And it is roughly 3.5 hours since we started this.
Try again. Track position. 3 minutes. 11. Track position. 3. Track position. Crazy. Simple plan. Crazy. Single.
Come on, give me the time.
1:08 p.m. Status bar.
1:08 p.m. Yeah, so roughly 3.5 hours. And let's see how our battery's going.
Track position. 3 minutes. 30 seconds.
Battery 20%.
We're at 20%.
iPad 2A.
Track position.
And so
3
far
minutes,
we haven't
32
had
seconds.
too many
3
issues
minutes,
with
36 seconds.
the
Adjustable.
Bluetooth connecting. It seems it goes pretty well if you've only got one device currently putting out Bluetooth, but otherwise when it gets this low it kind of starts switching for some reason to different Bluetooth devices. Which is a little bit weird, but there you go. Alright, so I think we might be able to just get another half an hour and we'll see how we go. See you soon. And welcome back, Internet. We are at the 4-hour mark. And we shall check how the battery's going.
Track position. 3 minutes. 57 seconds. 5 minutes. 18 seconds. Adjustable. 1 notification. Volume. 74%. Next. Pause. Previous. The valid. Track position. Track position. Track position. 4 minutes. 8 seconds. 3. 4. Next.
Come on, give me the time.
Page 3. Bluetooth connected. Status bar item. 1:33 p.m.
1:33 p.m. There you go. And let's check battery.
Battery 20%.
Battery 20%.
iPad 2A.
Adjustable.
Okay. And we will probably not get much more out of this, but I will be back when the music dies. See you soon. Welcome back, Internet. Well, we have managed to get another half an hour in. It is now
Track position. 55.4 seconds. 8 minutes. 2 seconds. Adjustable. Top and centered. Half width of screen. Track position. 1. Stairway to Heaven. Led Zeppelin. Mother. 2:01 p.m. Status bar.
2:01 p.m. And, yes, just in case you have possibly been living under a rock, this is Led Zeppelin, Stairway to Heaven. Very nice piece. One day I'm going to be able to play all this on guitar. One day. Anyway, let's check how we're going with our battery.
Battery low. Please charge now.
Okay, and there's a warning. Battery low. Please charge now. So I think I'll call it there. You know, it's probably not good for devices to let them actually go till they're dead on battery. It's kind of like hyperextending a muscle, at least so I've heard. So we will leave it here. Let's call it at 4.5 hours. So I will stop this and put it on charge and give you a summary. Okay, so I'm back. I put my Bose SoundLink Bluetooth speaker on charge. The charger it's charged by mini USB, by the way, and the USB plugs into the cradle, and you sit the device in the cradle, and that's how you charge it. So it's quite handy. You can also charge it while using it. Okay, so in summary, we got 4.5 hours out of the Bose SoundLink Mini Bluetooth Speaker 2, or II, at 75% volume, which isn't too bad. It is not the advertised 8 to 10 hours as was written on the box and I believe on the Apple website. But in saying that, I have easily gotten those 8 hours at 50% volume. And it is surprisingly loud considering its size. I know it's classified as a medium-sized speaker for Bluetooth speakers. So, yeah, I actually probably might do a 50% test. It would be interesting to see the comparisons there. But yeah, I actually found it to be quite loud. In fact, even when I put it to the other side of the room, while playing these music continuously, I had to use headphones with a lot of my devices because I couldn't hear VoiceOver or my screen readers while listening to that music. So it's quite a good volume actually, and that could go 25% louder as well. Of course, it probably drained the battery even faster, which we know it does. But yes, it is quite good. It would definitely be loud enough to sit around with a few mates at a barbecue or something. You know, just some sort of informal party kind of thing. Not a, you know, anything like an 18th sort of big celebration party. You'd probably need a bigger speaker for that. But yeah, it'd be quite good. It also keeps up with my guitar and amplifier quite easily at that volume. So, thanks for watching. I hope this was interesting to you guys. Let me know if you actually want me to do a 50% volume version of this video, just for laughs and giggles and a bit of interesting comparison. And if there's a piece of technology or an app or something you would like to suggest that I look at as far as accessibility wise, let me know. I'll see what I can do. And well, that's it. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, especially if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, let me know in the comments if there's something you want me to cover, or do you own this speaker? Do you own another Bluetooth speaker? Let me know what you think about it. And yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time. Take care. Cat Tiger out.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time. Smiley emoji. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time. Smiley emoji.